Okay. Hello, my name is Ryan Jensen. I'm going to be explaining my Bitmoji tag program. So first, on the first line, I made my draw Bitmoji function, which is pretty similar to the other ones. But here's where things start to get new. So for the next few lines, lines 80, 81, 82, I made three separate empty arrays. One's for x position, y position, and just like a speed variable. On line 4, or 84, I made a for loop from 0 to 50, or technically 0 to 49, and I am pushing through 50 random integers into these empty arrays. For x position, it's negative 100 to 200. For the y position, it's 0 to 350, and the speed is just between 1 to 2. So next is the draw function on line 90. So on line 92, we're going to use the xpos.length for the length of the loop, which is the same thing as this, so this is 50. So here is where we actually draw the 50 Bitmojis, as well as how the Bitmojis go to the left of the screen. So I tried to do how it was given to us. So to use like a mouse clicked function to make the Bitmojis go down here, as well as just like how to or to like when it hits like x equals 400 to set it equal to negative 40 to 40 to make it like come over here. And for some reason it just didn't work. So I thought of this idea, and I think it's a good idea. So basically, this x position that's going to be constantly increasing because of this. So when it hits 400, what this means right here is when you divide it by 400, and then the x value is going to be whatever the remainder is. So when it hits 400, the remainder is going to be 0, which means the x value will be over here. So that means a Bitmoji will come over here once this Bitmoji hits 400 x value. So I think this is like a very interesting and very neat way to express that. Because I could just say when I could use like an if function, or say like if xpos is greater than 400, then xpos equals a random integer between negative 40 and 40. This is just I think this is just nicer. And then this is the mouse press function right here, or not the function, but like I said, I couldn't get the mouse function to work, so I kind of just did this. And even then, it's still weird, but I don't have enough time to fix it. So this is what I'm rocking with. So the mouse press, so it works, but it doesn't go exactly to my mouse. It goes right under my mouse. I have no idea how to fix that. So to make the function work, I just moved all the Bitmojis down, and just so I could get all of the Bitmojis on my mouse. So it's very strange, but it still works, kind of. And then once, so when the mouse is pressed and the mouse goes over the Bitmoji, I set the y position to 500, which brings the Bitmoji down here, basically eliminating it, or it's going to be off the screen. And that's it. It's a function, or as a program.